Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pallavi Divekar and welcome to yet another episode of Plant Education Series. So what is today's episode going to be about? Let's find out.
Hello everybody, this is Advocate Punavirwani Bhatia. Soil. Soil is very essential part of every garden. You can't imagine a garden without soil. So is the soil living or non-living? Let's find it out in this video. Details to be followed. Let's see soil in the role of pantry for the plants. Thank you.
Hello friends, this time again Swati Gavande with Pallavi. See how the foundation is important for a home is critical. The soil acts as a foundation by supporting the roots and keeping the plant upright for their growth. It also acts as a pantry for the plants because it stores and cycles the essential nutrients and minerals which are needed by the plant. It again holds the water for the plants and release it when they are needed.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Piyusha Bhagde. We will see what is the ideal or the perfect composition of soil so that the plants can have a healthy growth. Composition of soil is mainly of four things: 45% minerals, 5% organic matter, 25% water and 25% air. The 45% of mineral is mostly clay, sand and silt. The 5% of organic matter is living and non-living. The non-living organic matter consists of lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, humic acid, fulvic acid. The living organisms are bacteria, the fungus, the worms that live in the soil.
Soil is a non-living thing, but it is a living system. How? Well, because of this. If you take a part of soil and observe it, this is all you are going to find in it. What does it has then? Well, let's see. It has dead and decaying matter, then the plant roots, then the insects, then the earthworms. You can see these earthworms. Then this is all soil. Then it is the permanent shelter for burrowing animals like rabbits, badgers, snakes, termites and moles. Then you can find the microbes, then the fungi. Also mushroom is also a fungi. Then temporary home for some insects. And these are the plants that are found above the soil. See, the roots here are penetrating in the soil. So you can find all these things in the section of a soil, and we are going to see all these things in detail now. So let's start. So in the earlier picture we have seen what is found in the soil. So let's discuss that in the detail. First is the plant roots. So the roots go deep into the soil and absorb the nutrients, even the water from the soil. Then you find the dead and the decaying matter, the leaves fallen from the trees, or even the insects that die, or anything that decays in the soil forms a layer, and that again goes on decomposing and forms a fine fertile layer in the soil. Then you find the permanent dwelling organisms in the soil also, like the rabbits, the moles, the termites, the snakes, etc. You know that soil is also a temporary home for some organisms like bees and butterflies. Like some organisms, when the temperatures are harsh, they tend to go into the sleep mode. That is, one is the winter sleep, that is called hibernation, and one is the summer sleep, that is called estivation. Depending on the harshness of the climate where you stay, these all happens. Also, soil has a network of fungi that feed upon and grow in the soil. For example, mushroom. So, a presence of mushroom in the soil is an example of a healthy soil. But remember that not all mushrooms are edible. So, just don't go on eating them. They can be poisonous also. Also, do you know that soil acts as an antidepressant? The organism, that is Mycobacterium vaccae, present in the soil boosts up your serotonin levels. So next time you feel a little low or depressed, just do gardening.
Hello everyone, this is Rutuja Deshmukh and welcome to Plant Education Series. Today my topics are microbes and insects. Now let's see what are microbes. Soil is a home for all types of microbes. Useful ones like nitrogen fixing bacteria and also the harmful ones, but there is abundance of microbes of all sorts in the soil. Now let's see what is insects. It is also a home for many insects. Some use it as their food just like earthworms and some dwell in it.
Hello everyone, I am Kiran Hiranandani. Today I will be telling you how to improve the soil. There are few steps which are to be followed. First, you need to amend it. Dig in leaves in the soil and compost it in the spring. This will feed the microbes. Second, mulch it. Nature abhors bare ground. That's why we have weeds to cover up the empty places. So the dried weeds like hay, husk, fallen leaves can be used for mulching. Third, test it. Check the fertility and the pH and add the essential nutrients accordingly. Fourth, fertilize it. Natural boost is essential in the growing period of plants, like once in 3 to 4 weeks, and it's like supplementing the existing soil with additional nutrients. So these are the steps to be followed for improvement of soil. Thank you.
Soil is the key to healthy garden, so stop killing it. There can be no life without the soil or no soil without life. Your soil is alive, but the conventional fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides, fungicides are killing it. So stop using them and go organic.
So, you see, soil is very important as it is full of life. Though the soil is a non-living thing, but it is very essential for the growth of life which forms in it, making it an excellent living system. So, save soil, save water.